Hello, today we will guide you through how to start a thread in Slack. To begin, open Slack and make sure you are on the home screen. This is your main workspace where you can access recent activity, messages, and conversations. Starting from the home area helps you quickly navigate to the conversation where you want to reply. Next, look for the Direct Messages section in the left-hand sidebar. This is where Slack lists your one-on-one and group conversations. If the message you want to respond to is in a direct message, this is the easiest place to find it. If you already know the conversation is in a channel instead, you can also select that channel from the sidebar. Once you've located the right conversation, open the sample message or channel that contains the message you want to respond to. The goal here is to find the exact message that should have its own thread. Threads are useful because they keep replies organized under a specific message instead of adding them directly into the main conversation and making the channel harder to follow. When you find the message, move your cursor over it and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you more actions for that specific message. In Slack, many message options are tucked into this menu, so if you don't immediately see what you need, the three dots are usually the right place to check. From the menu, click Reply to Thread. As soon as you do that, Slack will open a thread panel, usually on the right side of the screen. This panel is where your threaded conversation will take place. You'll be able to see the original message at the top, along with a text box where you can type your response. At this point, follow what appears on your screen and enter your reply. Take a moment to make sure your message is clear and relevant to the original topic, since threads work best when they keep related replies grouped together. This is especially helpful in busy channels, where side discussions can otherwise interrupt the main flow of conversation. Once your reply is ready, click Send. Your message will now appear inside the thread, attached to the original message, rather than posted as a separate message in the main chat. That makes it easier for everyone to track the discussion and respond in context. And that's how to start a thread in Slack.